Now, Triple D, I think I've seen them all. I've seen the Delicatessens, I've seen the diners, I've seen the sandwich shops, I've seen the corner stores, you name it. But I'm here in Richmond, Virginia, where this couple has resurrected an institution. They've brought it back using their own little funky style. This is Pearlies Restaurant and Delicatessen.
Walking in, beef knish.
There's nothing I've ever tasted or been to that's like Pearlies.
The Pearlstein for you.
This is nothing like your regular delicatessen or diner.
That's because Rochelle and Kevin Roberts are mixing his master cooking with the food her bubby used to make.
I'm Jewish,
Okay.
and there was nowhere to get this food.
Where'd you get all the recipes?
Family recipes that have been tweaked, collaborations between the two of us.
They have a lot of items on their menus you're not going to find in other places. For instance, the potato and duck pierogies.
Potato and duck pierogies.
You ever had pierogies before?
These pierogies are better than any other pierogies that you can find. Creamy, hearty, moist.
All of a sudden, he's taking over the show. He's starting to give the whole description and everything. I just asked him if he'd had pierogies before. How are we starting this thing off?
We're gonna make some pierogi dough,
Okay.
eggs, sour cream,
It's the way I always make my pierogi dough.
water, and salt. AP flour
How long are we gonna let this mix up?
for a few minutes, and then we wrap it up and let it rest in the refrigerator. All right, so now we're gonna make the cure for the duck legs.
Okay.
White sugar, brown sugar, sumac, and some kosher salt.
So, breakfast and lunch,
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
and you're taking all the time to make confit duck legs.
Why not?
Does she let you go home? I mean, do you just stay here?
She likes it when I'm home, actually, yes.
You didn't have to say it in a sultry voice like that.
Crushed juniper berry, raw garlic, fresh thyme, the duck legs on top of this, and then we'll reverse the order.
And we're gonna do it again.
Yep, the garlic, and then the juniper,
How many days are on your calendar?
just the 7.
How many hours?
60.
60 hours a day? That's what I figured you were working.
Refrigerated overnight, and then we'll cook them in the schmaltz.
The almighty schmaltz.
2 to 3 hours.
What are we on to now?
Now we're gonna make a roast tomato ketchup, which is gonna go into the sauce for the final dish.
Going to the sauce.
Roma tomatoes, chopped garlic, dried oregano, some dried basil,
Salt and pepper. And roast these off, what temp?
350-degree oven for about an hour. Put it in a container with tomato paste and puree it until smooth.
Okay, chef.
Now we're gonna make the filling for the pierogies. Boiled potatoes, green onions, some of the duck leg confit, mixed peppercorn blend, kosher salt. Mash it around. We're gonna add a little bit of that reserved duck fat.
So this whole process is by hand. And then we haven't even got into the rolling out of the dough.
That is correct.
Oh, my goodness. And you don't have a sheeter.
I do not have a sheeter.
I'm gonna get you one for your birthday. When's your birthday?
My birthday was Monday.
Ah, I missed it, sorry. Maybe at least a bigger rolling pin, huh? That come with an easy bake oven?
We'll cut our dough, brush it with a little slurry of cornstarch and water.
Slurry up.
Pierogi filling.
How are we cooking these from here?
They go into the boiling pot of water.
All of this activity going for one item on the menu.
That is correct.
You're a busy man.
So we're gonna start with duck fat, pierogies, shiitake button mushrooms.
The ketchup that we made?
I like to char the ketchup.
Oh, me too, always.
Cooked mirepoix. Duck stock, cover and let it reduce.
What do we do now?
Wait.
Okay, good talk.
All right,
Voila.
and we top it off with a little chive sour cream.
I don't know that the word pierogi describes this. It's like calling my Camaro a car. That's a vintage hot rod.
Yeah.
Great duck. The duck jus reduction with the pierogi soaks up. The vegetables, the mushrooms, a little kiss of that roasted tomato sauce. This is like I've been going to all the movies in black and white. And then today I went to IMAX. Dynamite.
Thank you.